This is the second part, understanding Laravel and Vue. Now it's time for me to get Vue.js working with Laravel. I am using npm package manager for this. So back to my command line, npm install Vue router. After this is done, head over to the resources folder. In the JS folder, this is the components folder. This is where all the components of the application will be living, like create post, edit post, delete post, and so on. Instead of using Blade this time, I'll be using the components. But the basic layout will be done in Blade. What I mean by basic is something like the header, the footer, sidebar. All these are part of the application that's consistent. They will not change dynamically. So they will be built out in Laravel Blade. I will do that and continue in the next video, because the goal is for me to understand how to do Vue.js development in Laravel and not to design the UI. Thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe if you find it useful. Thank you very much.